In the middle of Japan's majestic snow-capped peaks, prospers a winter wonderland that entices adventurers from across the globe. Picture-perfect landscapes draped in powdery snow, where every slope promises an invigorating ride, and every turn reveals a new thrill. So, pack your bags, wax your skis, and set forth on a journey into a world where every snowflake tells a story, and every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold. Here's TrailTrove's list of the top 5 best ski resorts in Japan. 5. Looking for the ultimate ski adventure? Look no further than Kagura Ski Resort. Bursting with excitement for all skill levels, this winter wonderland offers 3 fantastic areas to explore: Kagura, Mitsumata, and Tashiro, keeping the fun going from late November to late May. Thanks to its high altitude, you can shred the slopes here well into spring. But that's not all. Hop aboard the 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗨𝗧, Japan's longest cable car line, for breathtaking views between Kagura and Neiba. And if you're bringing the family, Mitsumata's kids area is perfect for snowy fun. Now onto the slopes. Kagura Ski Resort boasts 32 courses and a whopping 28,797 meters of skiing space, satisfying even the most powder-hungry shredders. Beginners can kick things off in Mitsumata, while intermediate skiers will love leveling up in Kagura and Tashiro. And for advanced skiers seeking a challenge, Kagura offers epic courses like the Rinken Expert and Technical. 4. Nestled in the awe-inspiring Japanese Alps, and just a short distance from vibrant Tokyo, Hakuba Valley springs as a winter wonderland. As the proud venue for the 1998 Winter Olympic Games, this expansive alpine playground stands as one of Japan's premier winter destinations. With 9 remarkable ski resorts to explore, Hakuba Valley offers boundless opportunities for skiers of all levels, from novices to experts. Weekdays offer the perfect chance to carve fresh tracks on uncrowded slopes, spanning from the powdery expanses of Hakuba Goryu to the thrilling trails of 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗨𝗧. Equipped with the Hakuba Valley Lift Pass, adventurers can gain access to 9 distinct zones, each boasting its own allure and excitement. And for those craving nighttime thrills, many resorts extend their skiing hours until 10 p.m., allowing for exhilarating moonlit runs. 3. Prepare for the ultimate winter adventure at Nozawa Anen Ski Resort. With over 70 years of history, this expansive ski area caters to everyone, from seasoned pros to beginners. Nozawa Onsen Village, nestled at the base of the resort, serves as your gateway to thrilling snowy escapades across 3 main areas. With more than 50 kilometers of trail spanning 297 hectares of prime skiing terrain, there's endless excitement waiting to be explored. But the best part? Nozawa Onsen offers something for everyone. Whether you're cruising down family-friendly pistes, conquering challenging mogul runs, or shredding fresh powder between marked trails, the options are limitless. And for thrill seekers, the terrain park awaits, boasting jumps, rails, boxes, and an 80-meter pipe for maximum excitement. What are your thoughts on this list so far? Share your comments down below. And if you're enjoying our content, show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when we release new videos like this one. Alright, moving on. 2. Adventure seekers and snow enthusiasts flock to Niseko, a renowned snow paradise perched on the slopes of the towering Niseko Annupuri Mountain. Niseko Annupuri International Ski Area, Niseko Village Ski Resort, Niseko Grand Hirafu Ski Resort, and Niseko Hanazono Ski Resort, all accessible with the all-inclusive Niseko United All-Mountain Pass. Experience a snowy wonderland as you glide down diverse courses across the 4 resorts, with lessons and rental gear available for all skill levels. Whether you're chasing Niseko's legendary powder or mastering the slopes for the first time, there's something for everyone here. But the adventure doesn't end on the slopes. Enjoy thrilling snowmobile rides, serene snowshoeing adventures, and relaxing dips in natural hot springs, a quintessential Niseko experience. Recharge in luxury at high-class resorts like Hilton Niseko Village and Kasara Niseko Village, or cozy up at Niseko Northern Resort and Apuri. For longer stays, choose from 300 condominiums scattered throughout the area, offering a home away from home amidst the snowy peaks. 1. Rusutsu Ski Resort in Hokkaido is a powder paradise that caters to both seasoned powder hounds and those just starting to explore the joys of skiing in deep snow. With an annual snowfall averaging between 13 to 14 meters, Rusutsu boasts some of the most incredible powder and tree skiing you'll find anywhere. The dry, fluffy powder here is a dream to ski through, offering an unparalleled sense of freedom and exhilaration, while Rusutsu makes for an incredible day trip from nearby Niseko. The experience is taken to new heights when you book a multi-day stay. The resort offers an array of pros, including top-quality powder, fantastic lift-accessed tree skiing, and high-quality lift infrastructure to keep you warm and cozy even on the coldest days. With a decent size for a Japanese resort, groomed intermediate runs, and a family-friendly atmosphere, Rusutsu has something for everyone. Spread across 2 separate areas connected by a gondola, Rusutsu features 820 hectares of skiable terrain, 37 courses, 18 lifts, and a vertical drop of 594 meters. Beginners and intermediates will appreciate the groomed pistes, while powder hounds will revel in the easily accessible tree skiing that requires minimal traversing. Thanks to its strategic location and favorable weather patterns, Rusutsu receives plenty of high-quality snow each season. The resort's main accommodation options include 2 large hotels and a luxury condo hotel, each offering ski-in, ski-out convenience and a wealth of family-friendly amenities. The resort itself is a whimsical blend of Japanese kitsch, featuring quirky attractions like a singing tree, an antique merry-go-round, and even a kids' snow park with tubing and snow biking. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through Japan's top 5 ski resorts. We hope you found inspiration for your next snowy escapade. Remember, your engagement, likes, comments, and shares helps our channel grow and enables us to bring you more exciting content. So, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.